Mechanical Ventilators Market. IndustryDataAnalytics latest published Mechanical Ventilators Market in-depth analysis and experts review report till 2027. Mechanical Ventilators Market Overview. Mechanical ventilation is a life-saving intervention for patients with respiratory disorders or even respiratory failure. It is a form of breathing assistance in which a patient is connected to a ventilator through an endotracheal tube directly applied to the airway. Increase in incidence of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, rapid growth in the geriatric population, technological innovation, and rise in the incidence of respiratory emergencies in respiratory care devices are the major factors that drive the mechanical ventilators market over the forecast period. The evolution of patient-friendly, cost-effective and portable devices further encourage their usage. Mechanical ventilators market CAGR. The global mechanical ventilators market size is projected to accrue voluminously by 2027, registering a phenomenal CAGR of 4.8% during the review period, 2022 to 2027. Market segmentation. Type. Devices. Services. Intensive care. Portable. Transport ventilators. Others. Application. Hospital. Home care. Ambulatory care center. Others. Key players. Shenzhen Mindray Biomedical Electronics Company, Limited, Shenzhen 300760.sz. Marketing Group. Nihon Kohden Corporation, OTC NHNKY. Key highlights. Multicenter research of women's health ultrasound in Egypt, the beginning of a new era. Endometrial receptivity, is one of the main indicators that affect the success rate of in vitro fertilization embryo transfer, allowing the embryo to attach, invade and implant. The research and discussion on it have always been under the spotlight and has become one of the topics of female fertility protection. Thank you. Contact us. Phone number +1 704 266 3234. Website www.industrydataanalytics.com. Email address contact@industrydataanalytics.com.